In the heart of a living metropolis, the team follows whispers to a rusted tram depot buried beneath glass towers. There they uncover faded maps, a timetable frozen at 3:07 a.m., and the echo of wheels that never returned. As night deepens, they trace a tunnel that loops under an abandoned warehouse, revealing murals painted by workers who vanished. Every clue invites questions about why the depot was forgotten and how memory clung to steel. Enter, observe, reveal the unseen as viewers join a journey stitching past tracks to present shadows.